Hey guys, Matt Checker here and welcome back to another video. Today yet another package has came for me. It's the same day, so I did unbox these two earlier. So yeah, what are we unboxing? Well, it is a comic of my favourite Disney film of all time, Zootopia, or as it's called in the UK, Zootopia. So this is the first volume, and yeah. I've also got like a Star Wars comic as well, which I bought from a bingo, so yeah. Yeah, I'm keeping the original seal, so yeah. And the Disney comics. This takes place after the bingo, so yeah. So yeah. I like the visuals in this, it's really cool. Yeah. Yeah. Next issue, that's cool. Oh, Darkwing Duck. I love Darkwing Duck. DuckTales, Darkwing Duck. There's also like covers as well. So yeah. So yeah. Really good comic. I love it. So yeah, this is cover A of the comic. I really like it. So yeah, it's Nick in his ZPD outfit, and there's Judah. So yeah, really good comic. Now, if I can, I might be able to put it back in the cover, the foil cover or something. Let me try and get it back in. Like Shin-Chan. If you remember that episode, I Love Nasty Books, then yeah. I need to get it back in without ripping it. Oh, hang on, let me. There we go. Yeah. I might get volume 2 soon after I read volume 1. So yeah, I never read any comics. I know I'm more into like manga or something. So yeah. Can't really get the sticker off, but I'm just gonna keep it on anyway for like to see how much it is. So yeah, I've also got a Phoebe and Her Unicorn comic as well, but I don't know where that went. But if I ever find it, I might do a potential review on it. So yeah, oh yeah, I forgot to show you. This is a little message by the finger, the seller I got. So yeah, and this is how much it costs. So yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.